So when you're photographing weddings, you always end up with photos like these right here, where someone's either taking a photo on their phone or they're just in the way, and it's really impacting the shot you were trying to get. Well, I've been exploring Photoshop's new generative fill AI to edit people on their phone or remove people altogether when I'm doing wedding photography or event photography. So far, I've been having great success with it. Here's a photo I recently took with the couple's child, where the mom had to position the kid, otherwise he'd run off, but she couldn't get out of frame fast enough. Fortunately, I was able to take that photo, use generative fill, and it seamlessly took her out of the photo, making it look like this. Now, one of the greatest things about generative fill is it's super easy to use. Let me go ahead and show you how to use it. Here's a photo of a wedding I recently did of the father and brother walking the bride down the aisle, but someone right here was videotaping, as you can see. Now, I'm pretty sure they asked him to do this, so whatever, but we can go ahead and try and edit them out. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is once we're done with our initial edit, we can right click, select edit in Photoshop, and this is gonna go ahead and open that photo in Photoshop. And now we're gonna wanna try and remove this guy right here altogether. So first, we're gonna wanna go ahead and select the outline of his body. So coming over here to the left, you're gonna wanna select the lasso tool. And once you have that selected, come back over to the guy. And this doesn't need to be absolutely 100% accurate, but you just need to basically outline what you want to be removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick here. Once you're done with the outline, you can see this menu pops up where it says generative fill. Go ahead and click generative fill. And here's where we're gonna wanna type our prompt, basically telling the AI what to do. So we're gonna go ahead and type remove person. And then after that, we're simply gonna click generate. And after you press generate, it's gonna render out some options here. And you can simply scroll through your options to see what looks the best. I like number 2 here, seems like it fits pretty well. And that's it. As you can see, it removed it just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and export this now. Here's the photo before we use generative fill. And here's the same photo after we removed that gentleman using generative fill. Now, as you can see, that was actually pretty simple. It took what used to be a very complicated process of knowing the ins and outs of Photoshop and instead just relying on AI to do it all for you. Like I said, you can be using this for several things like removing those people, removing people taking photos on their phone right during the middle of the ceremony, or even creative things like you have to have someone get out of the way fast enough, but they can't run out of the shot fast enough. You can rely on generative fill to help you out in those situations, like of that photo you saw at the beginning. Here it is again. And it's such a great creative tool to add to your wedding photography, portrait photography arsenal. So I'm curious, have you tried to use generative fill in your professional photography environment yet? I know I'll definitely keep using it. I'm sure it's just gonna keep getting better and better. And if you haven't used it yet, and this is the first time you're hearing it, I hope this video is gonna help you out. Maybe it's gonna save a shot you didn't have before, but now you might be able to save. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any stories like that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next one.